Hi guys, here's how you can create a QR code using Microsoft Word. So let me quickly open Microsoft Word, and please note we will not use any add-ons. Let me create a blank document. Now press Ctrl plus F9. So you will find these two curly brackets. Please do not manually use the curly bracket or it will not work. And then you can use this code. In the URL, you can add your own website link. And this is the size of your QR. Let me quickly replace the URL with our own website. So let me copy this, Ctrl plus C, and I'll paste it here, Ctrl plus V. So here is it. Now copy this code and simply paste it here, Ctrl plus V. So once this is done, simply press F9 and you will get a working QR. And this QR works perfectly. Now for those who do not want this longer process, you can simply visit our website, go to Applications and to QR Maker and Reader. And here you can create different types of QR and it is absolutely free. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.